Introducing SecuriTEST IP, the most versatile all-in-one installation and troubleshooting tester for digital IP, HD coax and analogue CCTV camera systems. With a single tester that can power, configure and document, SecuriTEST IP increases productivity from start to finish, combining the key functionality of a video monitor, cable tester, PoE injector and laptop in one compact handheld tester. Charge once and work all day. SecuriTEST IP supplies power over Ethernet or standard 12-volt DC power to cameras using its internal lithium-ion battery. Additionally, power over Ethernet can be passed from the network through the tester to a connected camera, reducing battery consumption. Using either the high-resolution 7-inch touchscreen or keypad, camera information, network settings, aim and focus can all be easily configured. While digital zoom allows for accurate setup of 4K cameras. Using the HDMI input, SecuriTEST's IP screen can substitute for an external monitor. This is useful when configuring network video recorders or other CCTV equipment, eliminating the need for a large external monitor. Connect quickly and easily to any IP or analog camera using RJ45, BNC or Wi-Fi. SecuriTEST IP offers automated camera connectivity via the Quick IP function. This allows even novice technicians to connect and configure IP cameras quickly and easily. Using the universal on-VIF protocol, SecuriTEST IP can connect to cameras from virtually any manufacturer without proprietary software for each vendor. SecuriTEST IP provides vital cable testing, including cable tracing, length, identifying common wire map faults, and detecting water ingress in twisted pair cables. Until now, time has often been wasted filling in Excel documents to create reports. SecuriTEST IP is the first camera tester to capture camera images and network configuration and provide professionally formatted documentation in PDF. Proof of performance enables unpaid callbacks to be converted into billable service calls, improving profitability. Then easily transfer reports directly from the tester using email or a file sharing service without the need to leave the job site. SecuriTEST IP, the faster, easier way to work with CCTV.